Oh, you better pull the curtains, I think.
Really?
What's in the box, Marlon?
What's in this, Marlon?
Wow.
What does it
Are you
say?
supposed to talk us through it?
Oh yeah, we've
Yes, it
seen
does.
Peppa Pig
You're recording
unboxings.
speech.
Yeah.
Thomas, the tank engine being unboxed.
Who knows what that guff is? So what are we? Hamilton, New Zealand. What's the date today?
9.
9th. Yeah. Frontline gaming and table Barren wasteland mat at least. I did open it in the corner game because I was shaking it furiously to see if there's multiple ones in it. Yeah. But there is. Because I was freaking out there was only going to be
They
one.
might have shipped them separately.
Miles just looking at Jason. What's in the box, Miles?
What's
It's a
that?
giant box.
How do you know whose is whose?
Well,
They haven't named
what is
it.
They've taped it up like crazy.
Yeah. It's quite heavy, isn't it?
Now we're going to get into it.
Obviously good packaging.
Will it have survived the transport?
Is it that Starfield one you've always dreamed of? Miss Bag.
Yeah.
Where did it have to come from?
The States.
Oh.
I'm not sure.
Via
China.
China.
Oh.
That sounds promising.
What's in here, Marlon?
What is it, Miles?
What do you think it is? Who's the lucky winner?
That one.
Have a look. What is it, Marlon?
Barren wasteland.
How do you know? Oh, it looks like it.
Goes.
Ready?
Have a look, Marlon.
It's only 4 feet.
Well, yes.
Thanks.
You're a superstar, Marlon. Wow, look at that,
Oh, yeah.
Marlon. It's awesome.
Check it out. That's
Oh, wow.
wicked.
That is
You have
neat.
to rebase all your models.
What's this one
That
called?
seems like a lot of-
Wow.
You can
Check
touch
it
it,
out.
Miles. See what it feels like. Is it soft? What's this one
Man,
called?
it's pretty detailed.
Yeah.
What an
Does it
awesome
come out
scale.
quite well, eh?
Yeah, don't you reckon?
Yeah. That's awesome.
What's it made out of?
That's just sort of like a
Giant
mouse
mouse
mat, eh?
Wow. So that's just a digital thing, like.
Yeah, it's like
Yeah, look at these.
print on it.
Yeah. Oh, that is wicked.
Do you like it, Marlon? Would you like one to put your trains on?
Yeah, this one, mate.
You need a train one.
Oh, so it does have rounded corners.
It's fine, it's a little label.
Yeah. Well, they're like quite flat though, eh? So you won't
Yeah,
have to worry about.
there's like no creases in it
yeah,
whatsoever.
rolling it up or whatever. Because it's quite easy to.
Wow. Yeah,
The other one.
Wow, wicked, Marlon. That's right.
one order correct. Let's see.
Do you want to help Daddy open
Starfield mat
it?
of our dreams. Yeah, hold on to that.
Good boy, Marlon.
The baby doesn't know what's going
No.
on.
Wow, you could be unboxing your toys. Oh, hello, you beautiful baby.
Hold that box.
That's interesting, eh?
Tuck it over here.
You can have that box, Marlon. What you gonna do with it?
We could have got one of each and scalped the others on the baby.
Should have, eh? Should have. Been foolish not to.
I thought
What
were
have you got
supporting
there,
this company.
Marlon?
Not many fun
Fleecing him.
takers.
Is that your dinosaur egg?
True,
Yeah.
Pull it up.
Da, da,
Yeah,
da.
What's that? Woo! Look at this baby.
Wow. I can take it if you like, Jason. There you go.
Whoa. Yeah.
Thank you. It's a bit cool, isn't it?
That was so cool.
What is it, Miles?
Your trains look good on that.
And with crookeds.
I think it's a. Does it feel nice?
It was a bit crooked.
A little bit crooked. You could straighten it out for Diddy. This is a snow skate. Can you straighten it for him? Wow.
And it's gonna be so awesome.
What is that, Miles? Have a look.
Frozen river.
They're going to do the big whirling thing.
Oh, it's sort of like black ice, I suppose, isn't it?
Oh, my base is matching super
Yeah,
perfect.
yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting up.
That's a good idea
Yeah.
to straighten it out.
And it's a bit crooked to me, but
Does look a bit crooked, boys.
it's a bit crooked, boys.
That's no problem to straighten it
Sweet.
out.
So that's that.
Please.
Unboxing.
10 out of 10.